Welcome to part 2 of the Welcome and Overview video for math classes with me, Professor Kimber, in the fall 2020 semester. This is, as I mentioned, a very general overview, and so it might well generate specific questions in your mind, which is good. And remember two things in that regard. Email me, address in the description below, and also stay tuned to this playlist on my YouTube channel, where over the next couple of weeks, it's August 6th right now as I record this, over the next couple of weeks, prior to the beginning of the semester on the 24th of August, I'll post videos on the details of how do you do this and that, various things in the course. How do you access things specifically, and so forth. So watch out for that. Stay tuned to this channel and this playlist. Also, I will be emailing to your Morrisville email address the syllabus, but that will be close to the start of the semester. If you want to and choose to keep up with the videos that will appear here, you'll be familiar with a lot of what's in the syllabus before you even get it. Now, at the end of part 1 of this video, we had spent 45 seconds or so at the end listening to this guy complete the first problem on this homework. Okay, now I want to go into my math lab, which is where you actually do the homework, and show you what that's all about. Okay, so after watching the videos for an objective, and in some cases completing other supplementary activities for the objective, you will come here into my math lab and you will do the objective assignment, such as this one. Let's do this math problem right now. We'll do a little math. Use distributive property to rewrite this expression. 5 times the quantity in parentheses, n plus 2. That is 5n plus 10. As you do these objective assignments, you should write out all your work, write out the problems and the work on a piece of paper, pieces of paper, and you will be submitting those as what's called your objective notebook, which will be a nice and organized way for you to keep track of the work that you've done and to access it at any time. And also the objective notebook is part of your grade. So you do that problem, carry on to the next, and so forth. In addition to objective assignments, such as this one for Objective 1-2, for example, at the end of each module, 2 things will happen. And remember, an objective is made up, a module is made up of, on average, 6 objectives. And the module is about 1 to 2 weeks each of time. So at the end of each module, the 2 things that will happen will be, 1, you complete a module pre-assessment, which is very similar to what you see before you, what we started here, but what's here is only for Objective 1.1-2. The module pre-assessment for Module 1 will cover all 6 objectives in the module instead of just one objective. And the module pre-assessments are part of the grade. They're also definitely usable by you as self-checks, because you can do them many, many times repeatedly, improving your grade using various learning aids that are available, asking me about the problems, seeking tutoring help. If you keep at it with these objective assignments and the module pre-assessments, you can do very well. And the module pre-assessments are also helping you prepare for the other of the 2 things that happen at the end of a module, which are the module pre-assessment and then the module assessment, which is like a test. There's no aids available to you. There's a time limit. The module assessments will all have a component on my math lab. Some module assessments will also have a component, a part, which will be accessed through Blackboard and won't be on my math lab. I'm going to go ahead and stop this welcome and overview part 2 video and continue on with one more part 3. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in part 3.